Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded, ready to go again. Now, yesterday, if you remember from the last video, I didn't have Google Maps all day because I had no reception. But what's happened is this whole area for about 100 square kilometres has had no power for 4 days. And so even the backup batteries for the Airtel towers must have run out, because as soon as the power came back on last night, I had reception again. So I got Google Maps again, but Google Maps is telling me, it's not telling me to go the easy way, but it is telling me that there's a no entry on the way. So I'm going to take the risk and head this way, back further into the mountains. That way I should be able to get through. But if I don't get through, this is all part of the adventure, guys. I've got plenty of time. I don't have to be anywhere in a hurry. So let's go and have some fun in the mountains of India. Yeah, so I can see here that this river was crossing the road yesterday. It's still really wet here and it's really low here. So let's hope, guys, that I can get through these mountains. Even if I can't, I'm not fussed. What an amazing day. What a way to start the morning. Just beautiful roads. Now, everyone that comes to India, most people catch buses when they're traveling. So all they see is that horrible traffic on the highways. If you want to come and ride in India, guys, come and do it. This is just amazing. Another dead end, guys. I have to go all that way back, all over those slips and everything again. Well, after the last few days, guys, I rode past the Radisson and I thought, stuff it, if they're cheap enough. About $70 US for the night, and I don't do this often, but I'm going to go and pamper myself for a day. Guys, this statue of Shiva, I've been riding around everywhere trying to get close enough that the GoPro will do it justice. But this is, I can only see it from the front. And this you can see from miles and miles around, guys. It's gigantic, but I'm sorry, this is the best shot I can do for you. And considering I've got a $60 US hotel room that I could be sitting in, I think I've done pretty well to even show you this much. And it's the next morning. This is where I stayed at the Radisson. $60, about 60 US for the night, but it was worth it, guys. I've had a good sleep. Just watched movies all day yesterday, apart from the little bit of exploring. As you've seen in the last couple of videos, I've been trying really hard to get to Jodhpur, the blue city, to show you that. But with this cyclone that's just been through, I've given up, guys. So today I'm going to head towards Jaipur. Couple of days there, then Agra, show you the Taj Mahal. But yeah, sorry guys, we're not going to see the blue city, but for now I'm going to get some miles up and I'll speak to you later. Well, it's pretty much all riding, highway riding so far this morning. But just past these trees, I saw an ancient fort. And I've been trying to find a way up there, but I can't. So I remembered I haven't put the drone up for ages. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm at a school or something here. There's no one here.
I figure we're losing 2002, turning away through sunshine and snow, chasing my tail around the globe. This bird says fly to the midnight sun, away again, nomadic one.
Oh guys, my first stop for the day. Now when, a nice icy cold soda water. When you, whenever I play music now, it'll be, remember Mark, if you watch my West Australian videos, you'll remember my friend Mark. His brother Dean's quite an entertainer. And the song, Nomadic One, that's his song that I keep replaying over drone shots and things. And we're back in the traffic. About 20 minutes to go to my hotel. Oh, it's been no traffic for about 4 or 5 days, so Google Maps just told me this is called Statue Circle. I don't know why, but I am here for 2 days, so by the time I leave, we should know why this is called Statue Circle. Oh, we made it. This is my hotel, the Lord's Plaza. I'm just going to go and get settled in, go and have a bit of a wander. I need to remember to get this camera out more, guys. It's I just had the most delicious chapati and curried potatoes, palu they call it here, I think. Just amazing. Now I'm trying to find a shop where I can get some soda water. And I might go back and have another couple of chapatis, and this time I'll show you. I didn't film much of the ride because it was just 3-lane highways. A bit boring for you guys. It was still fun for me. Having a great couple of days. And I didn't film the hotel I stayed at last night because that was just a rip. They tried getting $80 off me to start with. 40, yeah, $80. I said not a chance. I ended up paying 20. But it was just terrible. Everything was... I'm alright. Hello. Hello. Everything was expensive. Like soda water was twice as expensive as anywhere else in India. The food was twice as expensive, so I didn't film them at all. Well, that was a long search. That was a long, long walk. But I found one at last. Soda water. Oh, it's hot, guys. Hot and humid. And these are the chapatis I had before. This is the potato curry. Just delicious. I've come back, got a heap for takeaway this time. These are the guys. This young bloke's really nice and friendly. Well, that was a pretty uneventful couple of days, but I'm here in Jaipur. This is my hotel, the Lord's Plaza. Really comfortable, great breakfast, about 25 US a night. But anyway guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.